The name of today's topic is accounting equation. Here is the question. Show the accounting equation on the basis of the following transaction and prepare a balance sheet on the basis of new equation. So 2004 January 1, question is Mr. B.K. Roy started business with cash rupees 1,50,000. So this is the format. We have written accounting equation. Date we have put, transaction. We know the formula asset equal to liability plus capital. So 2004 January 1, Mr. B.K. Roy started business with cash 1,50,000. So cash, see here written cash, in this side is asset side and this is credit side. Okay. So we have written cash and bank. So started business with cash rupees 1,50,000. So under cash and bank account 1,50,000 is coming out, equal to capital. Capital will be 1,50,000. Okay. This side is all about asset sides up to equal to this side, means left hand side is asset side and the right hand side is liability sides. Okay, this side is assets and right hand side is, left hand side is asset side and right hand side is liability sides. So 1,50,000, 1,50,000. So January 4, see purchase good for cash rupees 48,000. So we have written purchase good for cash under stock. Other name of stock is goods. So 48,000 is adding and minus 48,000 is subtracting because it is purchased by cash. So 1,50,000 minus 48,000, 1,02,000 plus 48,000 is coming in. As asset is coming in, so it will be added. As asset is going out, means cash is going out. 1,02,000 plus 48,000 plus 0 plus 0. There is no changes liability side. Sold goods for cash rupees 48,000, cost 30,000. The goods cost is 30,000. But it is sale for 12,000, means there is a profit of 12,000. Okay. Sold good for cash 42,000. Is cash is coming in. What is the real cost? 30,000. So there is a profit of 12,000. So 1,44,000 after adding, subtracting 18,000 and 1,62,000 is coming in liability side. Bank account open in SBI is rupees 20,000. So bank account. See minus 20,000 from bank account and plus 20,000 from blank account. Why minus 20,000? Because cash is going out and bank account is opening. So under bank account, cash is coming in. Means there is no change. If you do cash and bank in separation, so under cash it will be minus and under bank account it will be added. So there will be no change. 1,40,000, 18,000 minus 20,000 plus 20,000. See purchase goods on credit rupees 45,000. 11. Credit it is purchased 45,000 goods. See under goods you have written, see under stock we have written 45,000 and is credit, means creditor is going out. So creditors, see creditor plus capital, so creditors under capital 45,000. So 1,45,000 after adding 41 plus 63,000 45,000 plus 1,62,000. Okay. Sold good on credit. See sold goods on credit 38,000. Cost is 25,000 cost. You are selling the goods at 38,000, means there is a profit of 13,000. See, 25,000 is subtracting from, see, stock side 25,000 is subtracting, 38,000 is adding, 38,000 is adding, see, debtors, because you have sold the goods, so 38,000 is your debtors, see the debtors, 38 debtors, adding 38,000, 0 plus is profit, 13,000 is profit, so 1,75,000. Check issued for rent. See, nothing is minus is you have to minus 3,000 for cash and 3,000 from capital account. Check received from Mr. Dhar 25,000. 25,000 is adding and 25 is adding from in cash and 25 is subtracting from debtor side. And paid carriage and purchase. See 4,000 for cash and 4,000 from capital. It will be subtracted. So after 1,66,000 minus 4,000, this is a new equation. You have to find out. Thank you.